Welcome to Upstarbucks. I want to make a plain cake. Can ChatGPT help me make the best cake in the world? Let's find out. So, searching Google for ingredients tells me a plain cake has got flour, eggs, sugar, salt, milk, and baking soda as its ingredients. So we need flour, eggs, sugar, salt, and baking soda. I have a loaf pan. I know its size. I need ingredients in quantity according to the size of pan that I've got. And I guess flour is the main ingredient. All other ingredients will vary in quantity according to the flour quantity. Let's ask ChatGPT. I have a loaf pan measuring length 10 inches, width 4 inches, depth 3.5 inches. How much flour should I use in the cake recipe or plain cake recipe according to this pan size? Give me flour quantity in grams. It's calculating volume of the pan. Volume of my pan is 140 cubic inches. Now it's converting the volume to more standard metric for baking. Estimating the amount of flour needed for pan size. It says 345 grams. Let's use 300 grams. Give me ingredients of a simple plain cake recipe but adjust quantity of ingredients according to 300 grams of flour. Give me ingredients and steps to make it. Alright, so these are the ingredients. 300 grams all-purpose flour, 300 grams granulated sugar, 300 grams unsalted butter at room temperature, 150 grams of milk, 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. So I've got all of these ingredients, but I don't have vanilla extract, so I will skip the vanilla extract and let's continue with these and we will exactly use these instructions. But wait, what can I add in this recipe to make the cake moist? Okay, it says buttermilk, sour cream, or yogurt. Replace half of the milk with equal amount of yogurt. Similar to the sour cream, alright. I can add yogurt, vegetable oil, or brown sugar. We will use yogurt. Add yogurt in the recipe and adjust milk quantity accordingly. Update ingredients. Follow the same instructions, but when you reach step 5, add the yogurt along with the milk while altering with the dry ingredients. Should I add milk and yogurt separately or mix these before adding in recipe? It's best to mix milk and yogurt together before adding them to the recipe. Alright. Alright, we have the recipe, and if you want, you can also convert everything into cup measurement instead of grams. You just have to say convert flour, sugar, and butter into cup measurement and convert milk and yogurt into tbsp because tbsp is easy. Alright, so these are the conversions. 2.4 cups all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup sugar, 1 and 1/3 cups unsalted butter at room temperature, 5 tablespoons milk, 5 tablespoons yogurt. Alright, so I will take this recipe, paste it here, and everything here is fine. 5 tbsp milk and 5 tbsp yogurt. I don't have vanilla, so alright. Use these ingredients and give me procedure or steps to make the cake. Here is the updated procedure for making the cake using the converted measurements. Okay, so these measurements are final. Now I don't need cups measurement. I told it to don't measure in cups and give me in grams. Just change milk and yogurt quantity into tbsp and give me updated ingredients and steps. Alright, let's use these ingredients and follow these instructions exactly given by ChatGPT and make the cake for real. And let's see what happens. So preheat your oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Grease and flour your loaf pan or line it with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy using a hand mixer or a stand mixer. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes on medium speed. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition, and mix until combined. In a separate medium sized bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In a small bowl or measuring cup, mix together the 5 tablespoons of milk and 5 tablespoons of yogurt until smooth and well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, altering with the milk yogurt mixture. Start and end with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan, smoothing the top with a spatula. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. Baking time may vary depending on your oven and pan. So check the cake for doneness starting at around 45 minutes. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes, then gently remove it from the pan and transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your moist and tender cake. Alright, so here it is. And see how fluffy and good looking this cake is. Amazing. So ChatGPT can help you make a perfect cake. It will give you all the ingredients and instructions, but how you handle it is up to you. When I was removing the butter paper, the cake broke into two pieces. But let's not worry, call it a feature and not the bug. It will not stop me to push it as a final product. I will ship it anyways. In fact, it proves that the cake is extra soft and fluffy. Look at how fluffy, moist, and tender it is. If you are a chef or you just want to make something for you, ask ChatGPT exactly what you want. Provide all the details, provide all specifications and requirements, ask about ingredients, communicate with ChatGPT to make adjustments if you need. Get instructions from ChatGPT and give it a go. It's highly likely that you will end up making something amazing for you. This video proves that artificial intelligence can help you make amazing recipes. If this video gets 1000 likes, I will make a pizza with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.